Is my iced matcha lemon drink, and I actually was quite surprised with this. I actually liked it, and I would definitely make this drink again. I think what works with this is that it's a small amount of liquid. When I made the iced matcha latte and the hot matcha latte, there was just too much liquid for the amount of matcha that was in the drink. And this was a smaller amount and the proportions were just right. So I would definitely do this one again. I quite enjoyed it.
Okay, we just finished our iced matcha latte. Now we're going to try iced matcha lemonade. And so we've got a lemon cut in half, got some hot water here. We have our restaurant quality matcha that we're going to use. Go ahead, emptier. We're going to do 2 scoops because we're doing it for 2 cups, 2 servings, one scoop per serving. Don't be so generous. Okay. Got him to be a little less generous. You only put the matcha on the end. You only put the matcha right on the end, like this, and he was trying to go all the way up the edge.
Man size.
Man size. Okay, we have the hot water that we have determined is the right amount. It's the same amount that fits in these little cups. We're going to pour it in. We have never made this before. It's just something we saw on the web and we've kind of adapted it a little bit. And then we're going to whisk it. Since this is restaurant quality, it dissolves very quickly. It smells good. Oh, we got a squirrel walking on the window ledge.
Red runner. That never happens.
Look at the froth we're getting. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's see. Oh yeah, all frothy. So now we're going to put honey in it. So we have our honey. Gonna need more honey than that. Keep going.
What if we froth the honey?
We're going to. Ooh, put some more in because I want mine nice and sweet. Because if it's going to have lemons, which is sour, we're going to need some sweetener. Unlike the latte that didn't really need sweetener. You think that's enough?
I'm trying not to think. I think it's good.
Okay, now let's take the electric one because I don't want to really get honey on this. I'm not sure what that would do to my whisk. So we're going to take the electric one and mix that up. That's probably pretty good. You think? Yeah. Look at that fun froth.
Secret sauce.
Now we've got a funnel because it doesn't make for great videos, but since there's no pour spout on my matcha bowl, we're going to use it to transfer the matcha onto ice in a cup. Half and half.
That's a different drink.
Sweet. Now, we're supposed to put lemon on it. Let's get these out of the way. So we've decided we're gonna try 1/2 and then taste it. So he's squeezing. He's not getting much out. Hold on. Took the seeds out. There it goes. Just gotta really squeeze it. Okay, well that was all the lemon of 1/2, so let's go ahead and use the other half. Catch that seed. There we go. Took the seeds out again. Oh.
Pucker juice.
Pucker juice.
Make you pucker up. Maybe we got a seed in that one.
Okay, now straws. We cut our straws to size.
I may have downsized them just a little too much.
It'll work. Aren't they cute?
Exactly what I was thinking.
Okay. Do we dare taste it?
You first.
My laptop's downloading videos from my phone and making beeping noises. Me first? No. We gotta do it at the same time. It looks so pretty. You ready?
I don't know what I need to do to get ready. I hope that was enough. Should always stir your mixed drink.
That is much better than the latte. Oh, he's making faces. He doesn't think it's better.
I told you it was make you pucker up.
Oh, I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, this one's a winner. Make this recipe.
Winner, lemon dinner.
It's better than the latte. If you like lemonade. Well,
If you don't like lemonade, it's just different.
the latte had a lot more milk in it, so the liquid to matcha ratio was much different, and so the matcha was much more diluted. So we might make a matcha latte using less liquid. We could play, but this I can taste the matcha, I can taste the lemon, and can't really taste the honey, but it does tone down the lemon just right. Love it. I would make this one again. Would you make this one again?
I'll get you some of that.
He doesn't like it.